Are you seeing signs of foundation problems around your home? Common structural problems in homes with slab foundations include cracks in walls, doors or windows that stick, and cracked or uneven floors. Over time, untreated foundation damage often gets worse, resulting in more costly repairs. If you think you have a foundation problem, it's important to act fast. We offer a variety of effective foundation repair and exterior water management solutions delivered on time and on budget. Convenient payment plans are available to fit your budget. Schedule your free assessment today.